Hey guys, welcome back to Cool Tool Tuesday. We'll be talking about these edge clamps by Bessey today. These things are really handy and I didn't even know they existed till working in this shop. Let's say you're building a 3-metre dining table and you want timber edges around the top. You've only got clamps that go 2.5 metres, but you still need to get that clamping pressure on the side of those end blocks. That's where this guy comes in handy. Pop it onto one of your existing F clamps. Now it'll work on all F clamps up to 13mm bar. Clamp that to the end of your table. The edge clamps go on like such. And you wind the screw here until you've got the correct amount of pressure. So a couple of these on each side, maybe with a timber strip, and that'll give you the clamping pressure you need for those ends. There's a myriad of different purposes where this guy could come in handy. Ask anyone who works at a workshop. This will be handy. So to get these guys, along with the rest of the Bessey clamp and a wide range of other really cool tools, check out our website and don't forget to subscribe by hitting the link below. Cheers guys.